Welcome to my audiovisual research paper. It is just like writing a research paper but in an interactive way. I am doing this to share my knowledge and experience with psychedelics in a simple manner because supposedly there was a time when I used 100% of my consciousness. Now I understand that I am a high vibrational being. I know that because I take energy from matter, technology mostly. It is like draining a phone's battery, absorbing the sounds that fuck up the sound system, watches that stop working. These are early signs of ascension according to spirituality. Although I was introduced to spirituality in 2012, my constant metaphysical activity started after moving to Australia in 2015. My initial research was about finding how sound vibrations have an effect on human beings' consciousness. That is when I stumbled upon a miracle frequency, also known as Earth's frequency 528 Hz, that repairs our DNA. Furthermore, my curiosity got diverted towards human electromagnetic field, also known as aura in spirituality. That made me realize that I might have holes in my aura. Allegedly, these holes are created due to our 5 senses, and the 6th one, which is intuitive thoughts. To constantly live this consciously is impossible for a human being who indulges himself or herself in everyday routine of the physical world. The reasons I had to quit psychedelics altogether. Sometimes my electromagnetic field aura started absorbing external vibrations, making me weaker physically. And with experience, I understood that I can emit my frequency into the surrounding when I'm energetically strong. It all depends on your mind's power. That's when I realized myself generating good vibes from the heart to protect myself from external vibrations. Spreading these good vibes keeps my masculinity and femininity balanced, making my aura healthier. When I was conscious, I used to feel claustrophobic even when someone tried to enter my aura. It is said that psychedelic opens your mind's eye and heightens all your senses. The first heightened sense that I experienced was sight and then sound. I could see vibrant colors and different patterns of the nature and hear amplified clarity of sounds. Also understood that sounds can increase and decrease a frequency at which a human vibrates. My senses were so sharp that I could sense the movement in a close proximity even with my eyes closed. The back and forth movement of air particles was felt on my body. Imagine the level of consciousness I used to be at. All I remember from my mental trips were the signs and symbols which I tried to draw so that I'd remember them. Till my memory goes, those signs and symbols included a Fibonacci spiral, yin and yang, Holy Trinity, lotus flower, and a wrongly drawn symbol of Om, and a few others that I cannot recollect. I was introduced to sacred geometry in 2014 and then again in 2016. So after 8 years of my psychedelic experiences, I now am integrating all my spiritual and scientific knowledge to record and remember for older me. Synchronize with me to dive deeper into the human consciousness. My current hypothesis of this research paper is examining psychedelic state from the perspective of IIT, Integrated Information Theory of Consciousness.